Hello guys, welcome to my fourth tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be talking about table headers, about linking to CSS and how to make a CSS file, and I'm going to be talking about lists, unordered lists and ordered lists. So how do I make a table header? To make a table header you just use the tags th and ending th. So whatever I type in between here is going to be shown as a header. So like this one, you should know this one because I talked about these in my first tutorial or my second. And if I type hello here and go to my website, it will show as a header, so it's bold. I can also do this if I add my table row here. As you can see, it just have room of one column. I want it to spread out here. I have to use cospan. F3 because it has 3 columns. And I will refresh this. As you can see, it's centered and nice. So that's a quick tutorial on table headers. So now I'm gonna delete my table and I'm gonna make a list. So what's a list? A list is just you can order some stuff you have written. So I'm just gonna show you, and I'm going to define an unordered list now, but you can define an ordered list too. So how to make an ordered list? Just make this U and O. But now I'm going to use an unordered list. So to define that you're going to make a list, you have to use an LI tag, so a list tag. So whatever you type in between, it's going to be stored in a list. So you have a type hello, and just Ctrl D is duplicate, and again Ctrl D, and I changed this to apples and this to computer, and save this. As you can see, it's an unordered list. So what's the difference between unordered and ordered list? So if you have an unordered list, it will just show some bullet points like this. But if I have an ordered list, it will do 1, 2, 3 or some other styles, because you don't have to stay by 1, 2, 3. You can have Japanese, katakanas and more things I'm going to show you later. So in order to make an ordered list, you just type OL and make my list again. Just type hello again. Ctrl D, save this. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3. So that's an ordered list. And I just changed this O. Nothing else. Ordered, unordered, ordered. So now I'm going to show you how to reference a CSS file and how to make one. So first I'm going to make a CSS file, a cascade style sheet to make my site pretty. So let's open a new one and save this as main.css, and then cascade style sheet. And so now I made a cascade style sheet, so a CSS file. And in order to link this file to this file, I just have to use a special tag. Link relationship is a style sheet, because I'm gonna style it with this sheet. And then type is text/CSS because it's a text file. And then href, this is the most important, it's a reference to my main.css, so the name of this CSS file. But don't forget .css because it's important. And then I will type some CSS here. You don't have to know this, but it's just a quick tutorial. So body, background color is red. So as you can see, oops, I did something wrong, I didn't save it. As you can see, the background's red. So that's what you can do with CSS, but if you only want it in this file, you can also do style type is text/CSS, and then end it with a style tag, and I can just type CSS inside here. So body background color is blue. It's gonna do this code because it's defined later than this code, and it's just gonna read from begin to end because here it's red, but when it comes here, it's gonna turn into blue because it's defined blue later on. So start to the end. So as you can see, it's blue right here. So this was my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.